little bit too high.
No, it's perfect because it makes you go up a little.
Hi, my name's Olivia. We're going to be making mayonnaise today. So our first ingredients is canola oil. You can use any oil, but our favorite oil to use is canola oil. You use a pepper shaker, any kind of salt, but we use sea salt. We use Dijon mustard. We use lemon juice, 1 egg, a handheld mixer with a flat blade, and a tub that can fit it in, that it fits in very nicely. So first we put in an egg. You break in the egg, make sure it has no shell. There we go. It helps your garden. So that's why we're doing it in the garden. Then we put in our lemon juice. We'll just get a spoon. You use a little bit, like that much.
A little bit more.
Like twice.
Yeah, like a spoonful. That's good.
After lemon juice, we do the mustard.
Big fat spoon.
A big fat spoonful, like this much.
Yeah, that's great.
The more mustard, the more flavor. So I might do a little bit more.
You can rest the spoon on that.
There. Mustard's good. Then we do some salt. One pinch. Or maybe 2. Depends on what you're doing. 2. And then, depends on how much pepper you like. I usually just do 1 thing. 1 turn. Then last but not least, we put in the oil. And you fill it up to 16.
There you go.
Yeah. Then you have to mix it. But there's a certain way you gotta mix it. You have to mix it a certain way. So follow me if you're doing it right now. So we have to get an extension cord if you're outside.
Wait, hold up. Can you tell our watchers about safety with hand mixers?
Oh, do not lick it while it is plugged in. And do not touch that area while it is plugged in. Okay, maybe I need to undo this. There we go. Put it in. Poke it in tight. Grab this.
Okay.
Put it all the way at the bottom. Push a 2. And slow. When you get to the top, just go around and try to get all the oil mixed in. And you might want to come to the top and then go back down. Until it's white. Until it's white and no oil is showing. might need some practice. If you go too fast, it won't work. There, we're done. Then you go like this and get it all off. I hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.